Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Brave. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Brave and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your